Working for Loram is a unique opportunity. There's not many companies that design, build, manufacture, and operate their own equipment.
Loram is a company that prides itself on safety first, good production, and limitless opportunities.
The best thing about working for Loram is really the camaraderie you build with your teams. When you're out there solving problems, working hand in hand in tough environments, you become lifelong friends.
They work hard for me and I work hard for them, so just like being a family, a home away from home. The most satisfying thing to me is making sure everybody know the job, making sure we put out the best product for rail grinding, making sure the customer is satisfied, but most important thing, making sure everybody working safe.
We have a safety culture, and that's everyone living it and breathing it daily. I do feel like Loram takes care of us. They have excellent benefits and a large support network to make sure we have what we need to operate safely and efficiently.